Nose blackheads removal. Tiny deep pore cleaning transformation. Not all blackheads are obvious. Some are so small, you barely notice them. But when they collect across the nose, they change everything. Texture becomes rough, skin loses smoothness. Today's treatment focuses on nose blackheads removal, with tiny deep pore cleaning transformation, where even the smallest buildup gets removed. The hidden micro blackheads. These are not large clogs. They are tiny, but widespread. They form when oil lightly fills the pores, dead skin settles inside, buildup stays over time, individually small, but collectively impactful. Why they affect skin texture. Even small clogs disrupt the surface. This leads to uneven texture, dull appearance, less smooth reflection of light. Step 1. Gentle surface clean. We begin with a light cleanse. This removes surface oil without disturbing the deeper pores. Step 2. Controlled steam. Steam is applied gently, enough to soften micro buildup, without overopening pores. Step 3. Precision extraction begins. Now the process starts. Each pore is treated carefully. Tiny blackheads begin to release, one by one. Step 4. Micro cleaning flow. The process becomes consistent. Small extractions across the surface create a uniform cleaning effect. This is subtle, but highly satisfying. Step 5. Full surface refinement. All micro clogs are removed. The skin surface becomes smoother, cleaner, more even. Step 6. Skin smoothing. After extraction, the skin settles, the surface looks clearer and more refined. Final transformation. Before, tiny clogs. Rough texture. After, clean pores. Smooth surface. A detailed deep pore cleaning transformation. Final message. It's not always the big problems. Sometimes, it's the smallest details that make the biggest difference. If you enjoyed this tiny nose blackheads removal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more detailed deep pore cleaning and satisfying skincare transformations, stay connected.